So I've just been working that out, and it's 36 years since we first come to America, and we've come at least 3 or 4 times a year ever since then, apart from when you couldn't come due to COVID. Here we go, here's the famous carousel on the pier, on Santa Monica Pier. Amazing. So let's take a walk down beautiful Santa Monica Pier again for you, and check out, see what we can see and see what's happening on here. It's an amazing place. Plenty going on. All these seafood cafes here and full bar. So plenty of places where you can get something eat or just have a drink. Whatever you want to do. That's like a bar and a grill combined. And it's packed. There's loads of people in there. So across there to the right, we've got the Bubba Gump, and directly in front of me we've got the Santa Monica Pier police station. Plenty of stalls on here selling different things like hats and sunglasses. Looks like candy floss on the one at the bottom, and cold drinks and all different things like that. And like I say, here's Santa Monica Police, and look at the different vehicles they've got. Look at that one, that's probably more like a sand buggy. Pier's packed. And let's have a good look at the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company restaurant there. That looks amazing, and look at the queue there to actually get in the Bubba. So let's keep heading down the pier to the bottom. So Santa Monica, everywhere else, just has been quite quiet, but certainly I can't say that about the pier. The pier's packed. Seen it busier, but like I say, busy enough. And there, it's the end of Route 66. And there is a end of Route 66 shop at the end of the pier, which I will show you as we go around the back and start heading back up. Look at all the different shops there selling all t-shirts, hats, flippers. And we've got like theme park, amusement arcade there. And across the other side we've got all the stalls, Japper Dog and things like that. And if you follow Rate Me Takeaway on YouTube, he did have something to eat at the Japper Dog there. People are just really enjoying themselves here on the pier today, and I can't blame them. It is absolutely magnificent. And look at the view across there at the beach and the ocean. It's stunning. There's not many people eating at Japper Dog at the moment. I suppose that will get busier as the day goes on. So let's carry on and walk down the pier here.
Losangeles.
It's incredible being on here. So this stall I'm going to look at here, I don't know how they do that, but you can put your name on a grain of rice for you. That's unbelievable. Let's just check out here now the ocean and the beach. Look at that, that's just amazing. There's loads of people on the beach there, and there's actually loads of people in the water as well, in the ocean. What a view. Absolutely spectacular. How they can sit here on the beach as long as they do, though, I don't know, because it just is so incredibly hot. Like I say, I can't tell you how warm it is. I'd certainly have to get myself some sort of shade or something like that. I'd be fried and cooked within minutes, really. The sun's that strong and that powerful here. So we've got Pacific Park there, and if you check out a video I did before on this pier, you can see where we have been round there. Fresh fruit drinks, they'll do for you there. They've also got cookies and crisps. Name art. It is amazing. It looks like this guy's going to do some sort of show here. Don't know what he's going to do, but he's definitely going to do something. He's got his real loud music on.
Everybody keep it open right there. I'm about to run that way full speed. Everybody keep it open right there. You're like a long distance if you're white, but I'm black. And I'm going to be a very short distance. I'm about to get everybody stay out of the way. Ladies, you don't want me to run into you full speed.
So we are getting now near the bottom of the pier, and it's been an absolutely fantastic walk down here today. I have thoroughly enjoyed it. Again, we've got more music, unfortunately, so we are going to have to do quite a bit of editing here and get rid of this music. You won't hear it when you actually watch this film, but believe me, it is loud. It's this guy here on his stall here that's doing it. More stalls here, and it looks like there's a police officer coming up on a four-wheel drive buggy here. Yeah, there's the police. He's coming up on one of them buggy things. Check him out. So what we're going to do now is walk around the back of the pier for you, and probably just chill out for a couple of minutes here before we move on. So it's beautiful around the back of the pier here in the shade. There's a nice breeze blowing. Got more little stalls doing different things here. But like I say, we're right at the back of the pier here now. Let's just take a look over for you and see how calm the ocean is. Check that out. You can come down here and do all your fishing and everything. And look how calm the water actually is today. It's hardly a movement on it. Quiet around the back of the pier. There's normally people singing and doing things here. So in front of me here, this is the Route 66 shop I was telling you about. So right at the end of the Santa Monica Pier, we've got this shop, and it's selling you everything about the famous Route 66. Let's head off the beautiful Santa Monica Pier. We've got quite a long walk to the top, so I'll zoom in there and you can hopefully see the Santa Monica sign right at the top of the pier, and that is a fair distance from where we are here. Got some pictures there of the Santa Monica Pier when it was being built in 1909. Again, just check them out there as well. Amazing. I think it's getting even warmer now. So again, like I say, head back, and then we'll see where we're going to go next from here. Like I say, people are wandering up and down the pier. It's absolutely remarkable, really. We walked down this pier many a time, but I think I've got to say this is one of the hottest days I've ever walked up and down here. It's just crippling. So my watch is saying it's 91 degrees. Now I think if you were inland, probably in somewhere like Glendale, that temperature would rise to about 107. So it is a lot cooler here at the coast. So we're just coming up now to the theme park again, the Pacific Park on the pier. I bet that's hot on the wheel or anything like that today. So tomorrow's Saturday. I bet tomorrow will be twice as busy as it is today. So I've got this guy doing this show again here. Trouble with these shows, they just drag it on too long.
I'm not gay, if I was gay.
There's the entrance to Pacific Park. And then at the side here we've got this cafe restaurant where you can get burgers, dinner, chill out, probably even get an ice cream. Really good. So I have really enjoyed today walking here on the pier in Santa Monica, and I hope you have as well watching this video. So we're coming up now to where the Jappa Dog is again as we head out, and then the next big place is the Bubba Gump. Well, like I say, I'm sweltered. It's getting hotter and hotter as the afternoon folds by here in Southern California. So again, there's the sign saying the end of Route 66, end of the trail.
Excuse me.
And there's the Bubba Gump. So I think we'll end this video now of here on the Santa Monica Pier, and we'll see you soon on the next video that we do.